right, John Najarian here. We're going to put a little dry rub onto these steaks. Do them on both sides. Again, getting plenty of that kosher salt, Cajun spices, a little bit of that sugar, some white pepper, black pepper. Rub it in real good. They're on the grill now, as you can see, doing very well. Mix of sugar and those spices will caramelize it and make it perfect. And look at the size of those prime steaks. Gorgeous.
They caramelize, it puts a wonderful flavor into them. If you want to do it overnight, you can do it overnight and it puts even more flavor into them. And then just be careful not to burn it, because all that, the sugar and the Cajun spices and so forth can cause it to flare up. So I always keep a little cup of water nearby so I can hit the flames in case they get up too much. But it's a delicious way to enjoy a nice ribeye on the 4th of July. That's a 10X steak, my friends. Enjoy.